Do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, your money just disappears? You work hard, but come payday, your bank account seems to magically shrink until it's time to pay rent, buy groceries, and fill up your car. And then by the end of the month, poof, your paycheck has vanished into thin air. It's enough to make you want to throw in the towel and just give up on ever being good with money. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? What if I told you that there was a proven method to help you save money easily and effortlessly, even on a tight budget? That's right. In this video, we're diving deep into step-by-step guide on how to actually save money so you can stop stressing over finances and start living life on your own terms. So get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start saving money fast, no matter how much you make. Just stick around until the end, because each step builds on the last, and it's important that you stay with me all the way through. Now let's dive in. Welcome to the channel where we learn to grow our wealth slow and steady. Let's begin. Why bother saving money? I know you probably roll your eyes at the word savings, but trust me, it's worth sticking around for. Think of it this way: saving money is like having a safety net under a tightrope walker. When they don't have anything to fall back on, their every move is filled with fear and uncertainty. But when you have a solid safety net in place, you can relax and truly enjoy the ride. That's what saving money is all about. Having the peace of mind that comes with knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. By setting aside some cash, you can rest easy knowing that you've got something to fall back on if you experience unexpected expenses, job loss, or any other financial bumps along the road. Plus, having savings can open up a world of opportunities for you. With a little nest egg under your belt, you'll be able to take advantage of once-in-a-lifetime experiences, new career opportunities, or even just enjoy some well-deserved downtime without worrying about money. Don't worry, I am not going to suggest you stash your cash under the mattress or hide it in a shoebox somewhere. Instead, we'll explore ways to save money that are both practical and effective. I am talking about actionable steps that you can start taking today to build a brighter financial future for yourself. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan of action to start saving money and achieving your financial goals. So let's get started. Step 1. Track your spending. Picture this. You're in a leaky boat in the middle of the ocean, desperately bailing out water with a teaspoon while the ship slowly fills up with holes. That's how your finances might feel if you're not tracking your spending. To truly understand where your money is going, it's essential to keep track of your expenses. This means monitoring where your money goes each month, whether it's coffee shop visits, subscription services, or impulse purchases. The key is to identify areas where you can cut back and reallocate those funds towards saving. One easy way to track your spending is by using a budgeting app. These handy tools allow you to categorize your expenses and see where your money is going. You can also use a simple notebook to track your spending habits. By understanding where your money is currently going, you can make conscious choices about what to cut back on and start prioritizing your savings goals. It's time to turn the tables and start taking control of your finances. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Have you ever saved for a vacation only to find yourself spending the entire amount on something else? Or maybe you set a savings goal and completely forgot about it until it was too late. We've all been there, but here's a simple solution to help you stay on track. Start by setting aside a specific amount of money each month that you lines put towards your savings goals. This could be $50, $100, or more. It doesn't really matter how much you start with as long as you're consistent. Then automate the process by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account on payday. That way, the money will be saved before you even realize it's missing. And don't worry, I know it might feel strange at first, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that you've saved money without even thinking about it. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Do you subscribe to multiple streaming services that you barely use? Or maybe you find yourself eating out more than you'd like to admit. It's time to take a close look at your expenses and make some cuts. Start by identifying areas where you can reduce spending without sacrificing your quality of life. For example, do you really need 5 different streaming services? Can you cut back on eating out and cook more meals at home? By making small changes like these, you can free up more of your income to save. Additionally, consider implementing small changes like comparing prices before you buy something or taking public transportation instead of driving everywhere. These small daily habits can add up to big savings over time, and remember, every little bit counts. So don't underestimate the power of small changes. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and emergencies can arise at any moment, which is why it's crucial to have an emergency fund to fall back on. An emergency fund is a safety net of sorts that can help you cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can also provide peace of mind, knowing that you have a financial cushion to fall back on if something goes wrong. It is recommended to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Building an emergency fund should be a top priority for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. By setting aside money each month for your emergency fund, you lines be prepared for whatever life throws your way, and you lines have the peace of mind that comes with knowing that you're financially secure. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, why not show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel? It really helps us grow and reach more people with our financial tips. So hit that like button and stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for being here. Step 5, save for goals. Whether it's a vacation, a new gadget, or retirement, having a plan in place to save for specific goals can make a significant difference in your financial well-being. When it comes to saving for goals, it's important to be specific about what you want and how much it will cost. Once you have a clear idea of what you're aiming for, create a timeline for achieving that goal and determine how much you need to save each month to reach your target. It is also helpful to open separate accounts for different goals to keep track of your progress and ensure that you're on track to meet your savings targets. By planning ahead and setting aside money regularly, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals faster and with less stress. Whether it's a short-term goal like a vacation or a long-term goal like retirement, creating a plan to save can make a significant difference in your ability to achieve those dreams. So start planning for your goals today and watch your dreams become reality. Step 6, grow your savings. Now that you've built up your savings, it's time to put it to work and start growing your wealth. Consider moving your money into a high-yield savings account or a safe investment like low-risk bonds. This way, your money will continue to grow even in times of economic uncertainty. One easy way to grow your savings is through compound interest. This is when your interest earnings are added back to your principal balance, resulting in exponential growth over time. Even small amounts invested regularly can add up to a significant sum, thanks to the power of compound interest. So start investing early, diversify your portfolio, and be patient. Over time, your investments will grow and you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of financial security. And remember, it's never too late to start investing. Even small amounts invested consistently can make a big difference over time. With the right investment strategy, you can watch your savings grow and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals. So there you have it, 6 simple yet powerful steps to help you start saving money. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and securing your future. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and that's true when it comes to saving money. So start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And hey, feel free to share it with your friends and family who may benefit from these tips as well. Thanks for watching and happy saving!